हाँ उसको कोशिश कीजिए। कोई टीचर ले रहे हैं कि नहीं ले रहे हैं?
सर वो टाइम नहीं है सर।
हाँ वो टाइम है नहीं, उसमें हमें 20 सेशन भी करना है, तो दूसरे
सर
टीचर।
एक्चुअली
हाँ
में सर
हाँ
हमारी
हाँ
वो भी चल रही है ना प्लेसमेंट, और बाकी भी अभी आपके 2 असाइनमेंट भी बनाए हैं सर सब
हाँ हाँ
बच्चों ने,
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
और वो क्विज भी हो गया, तो सर आपका 30 मार्क्स तो हो चुके हैं।
अच्छा तो ठीक है ठीक
तीन
है
चीजें
हाँ हाँ
सबमिट कर दी है ना सबने सर?
हाँ, नहीं कर रहे हैं, जो है बहुतों ने कर दिया है, वो कर रहे हैं। तो
यस सर।
प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए अभी अभी टाइम नहीं है। नहीं,
नहीं है सर,
हाँ वो
एक्चुअली
टाइम
में
नहीं
ही
है।
नहीं है।
हाँ बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं, जो है एक तो सिलेबस
सर
खत्म करना
एक्चुअली
है।
वही प्रॉब्लम जो मशहद बोल रहे हैं ना, वही दिक्कत है कि सर बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स के भी हैं और साथ में हम लोग के रेगुलर सर कंपनीज आ रही हैं, उसकी प्रिपरेशन करना, फिर बाहर जाना इंटरव्यू।
सर
अच्छा
हफ्ते में एक भी दिन खाली नहीं है, अब संडे तक क्लास है तो टाइम बिल्कुल ही है ही नहीं, 7:30 तक बैठे रहते हैं हम लैपटॉप पे। फिर
कौन कौन सी कंपनियां आ रही है अभी? कंपनी जो वहां पे आ रही है, कौन कौन सी आ रही है?
इट्सी बिट्सी
इट्सी बीच
सर
है?
आ रही है, मतलब उतनी कोई बड़ी नहीं है, मतलब ज्यादातर तो सर एजुकेशन सेक्टर से आ रही है, जो ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन कराती हैं एडटेक। बाकी सर और कुछ कुछ आए बैंक की और रिसर्च वाली आ रही है, रिसर्च एसोसिएट के लिए।
अच्छा
ऐसी सब आ रही है। ऑपरेशंस के नहीं आ रही सर, हम लोग ऑपरेशंस के लिए चाह रहे हैं बट हमारे लिए कोई आई नहीं रही है, तो हम लोग मजबूरी में मार्केटिंग में ही बैठ रहे हैं सर।
अच्छा 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 अच्छा। हाँ मार्केटिंग में ऑपरेशंस चाहते होंगे कि किसी कंपनी में ऑपरेशंस का जॉब में है कि नहीं?
हाँ सर, ऑपरेशन सब मेजर है हमारा,
हाँ
जो
हाँ
हम लोग
हाँ
का लॉजिस्टिक वगैरह या तो
हाँ हाँ
सप्लाई
हाँ
चेन
हाँ हाँ
में या,
हाँ।
बट वो अभी आई नहीं रही है, तो हम लोग फिर सेल्स में ही जा रहे हैं।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा। हाँ नहीं, अगर ऐसा होता है कि टाइम नहीं है तो छोड़ देंगे, प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं लेंगे, है कि नहीं?
जी सर।
हाँ उसको फिर छोड़ देंगे, प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं लेंगे, उसका कोई कोई जरूरी नहीं है।
सर एक्चुअल में वो मार्क्स के भी वो नहीं कर पाएंगे ना, फाइबर के जो आप बांट नहीं पाएंगे
हाँ
आप
हाँ हाँ,
ठीक है।
मतलब 2 असाइनमेंट हो गए और एक एमसीक्यू हो गया, है
यस
ना?
सर, तो 30 मार्क्स हो गई है,
हाँ
और
सर,
हाँ
40 रहता है,
हाँ
10
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
अटेंडेंस, बाकी 30 तो हो ही गए,
हाँ
10 10
बिल्कुल
10।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। हाँ
20 नंबर का सर वो होता है जो मिड टर्म हो चुका है, और अभी 40 का एंड बनेगा।
हाँ 40 का फिर इन सेमेस्टर एग्जाम में होगा, है ना?
जी सर, तो होगा ही, ये तो 100 हो गए।
उसकी डेट आई हुई है क्या इन सेमेस्टर एग्जाम की?
यस सर, 4th से है, 4th जनवरी।
अच्छा 4 जनवरी से है। हाँ
हाँ सर, 8 तारीख को इसका पेपर है, ग्लोबल लॉजिस्टिक।
8th को इसका है, ग्लोबल लॉजिस्टिक का, है ना? तो ठीक है, जो है बढ़िया है तो। हाँ इसका पैटर्न भी वही रहता है, मिड टर्म एग्जामिनेशन का जैसा पैटर्न है। आप आपको अभी आइडिया नहीं है ना?
सर पैटर्न तो वैसे ही रहता है, बाकी कॉलेज से शायद अब आपसे हो जाए बात। बाकी
हाँ
अगर नॉर्मल क्वेश्चंस भी रहते हैं, अगर हुआ तो केस स्टडी भी
हम्म
रहती है,
हम्म हम्म हम्म
मिक्स रहता है।
हम्म मतलब क्लासेस आपको 31 दिसंबर तक खत्म करना पड़ेगा, है कि नहीं?
सर आपकी कितनी क्लासेस
हाँ
बची होंगी अब?
मैं आपको बता देता हूँ टोटल क्लासेस कितनी हुई। 2 2 4 1 5 2 7 2 9 1 10 1 2 12 1 13। आज आज 15 क्लासेस हुई हैं, 5 क्लासेस रह रही हैं।
अच्छा सर।
तो
सर अभी तक
अभी
शायद सर
आज
मेरे
मैं
सारे रिजल्ट होंगे, आप एक बार बता देंगे 55?
मैं तो कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि सिलेबस जो है ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट करूँ। मैं आज बात करता हूँ, देखता हूँ होगा तो एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस के लिए जो है ना, तो एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस कब हो सकती है?
सर 7 तो दिन क्लास है सर, कोई
हाँ वही
फ्री
तो,
दिन।
7 दिन क्लास है। तो एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस जो है, एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस वही तो कब होगी ये आइडिया नहीं लग रहा है।
31 से तो सर क्लासेस सस्पेंड है क्या?
हाँ
31 को।
31 तक ही होगी, 31 तक ही होगी।
यस।
तो देखते हैं, आज मैं बात करता हूँ, फिर अगर एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस कहीं उनका टाइम स्लॉट होगा तो वो देंगे, क्योंकि 20 सेशन तो लेना ही पड़ेगा। 20 सेशन का वो टाइम शेड्यूल दिए दिए हुए हैं, लेकिन है ना? तो मैं आज बात करता हूँ, है ना।
सर अटेंडेंस तो सबकी पूरी ही होगी मेरे ख्याल से।
हाँ, ऑलमोस्ट पूरी है, ऑलमोस्ट पूरी है, ऑलमोस्ट जो है पूरी है। सारे वो स्टूडेंट्स ऑलमोस्ट जो है प्रेजेंट रहते हैं, है ना।
जी सर।
हाँ, तो अटेंडेंस
सर,
ऑलमोस्ट। हाँ बताइए।
सर,
हाँ हाँ
सर
बोलिए।
असाइनमेंट और क्विज सर आज हम सबमिट कर देंगे, क्योंकि सर प्लेसमेंट वगैरह चल रहा था हम लोग का,
हाँ नहीं,
तो बनानी है।
हाँ 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 बिल्कुल कर दीजिए आप, जो है ना 31 के पहले आप कर दीजिए, क्योंकि वो 31 वो लास्ट डेट बता रहे हैं, तो बिफोर 31 आप खत्म कर दीजिए, है ना।
सर आपको मेल कर देंगे ना?
हाँ हम हाँ हाँ मेल कर दीजिएगा, मेल आईडी तो आपको जानकारी है ही, मेल कर दीजिएगा, है ना, मेल कर दीजिएगा तो ठीक रहता है। वो 31 तक जो है उसको कर दीजिएगा तो ठीक रहेगा वो, क्योंकि उसके बाद फिर आपकी एग्जामिनेशन शुरू हो जाएगी 4 जनवरी से, है ना। तो आप, हाँ तब फिर आप बिजी, आप उधर बिजी हो जाएंगे, आप नहीं कर पाएंगे। Now come to the warehouses management system. Warehouse management system. In the case of the warehouses management system, the benefits of the warehouse management system and the important factors. Benefits of the warehouse management system: increased inventory visibility, traceability, and accuracy. Whether the goods are entering, being transferred around, or existing into the warehouse, it is important to have accurate and timely inventory information to keep the operation on track and satisfy customers. Increased visibility can lead to the increased efficiency in all processing activity through the use of the license plating and real-time interaction with the enterprise system with a barcode scanner. The quality of the information gets as high as it can. This allows for an univocal view of the inventory and the traceability, so that etc. now are things are to also where they could be go. Furthermore, it enables tracking back to where, when, and why something went wrong. This is the in case of the benefits of the warehouse management system. In terms of the customer service, the effects of the increased visibility and accuracy are increased on-time delivery, less expedited orders, and reduced reverse logistics. Having more visible inventory obviously reduces search, increased productivity, but by extension, it is the foundation for having a well-stocked warehouses that will reduce capital tie-up to enforce long-term efficiency. Improve throughput, space utilization, and the capacity by suggesting where goods based in the warehouse, the chance of the maximizing the space utilization is greatly enhanced. Having total and updated visibility in the warehouse also helps take action that can improve space utilization. Furthermore, having the system coordinate the actions to exclude the complexity of the warehousing is taken off the operator's shoulder. By allowing goods to more smoothly and sweep through the warehouse, the throughput is increased and hence warehouse capacity. Improved labor productivity. By streamlining and automating warehousing processes, bottlenecks can be effectively reduced by storing more efficiently with the stratification and the allowing for the automated information exchange. This is the benefit. Automated information exchanges will be there, and the directed task will be there. Reducing the number of the handling setups will be there, needing in the activity, getting rid of the paper-based task will be there, supporting running perpetual cycle counting is there, having multiple order processing will be there. Productivity of the all resources naturally increases. Through visibility, data can also be collected for productivity monitoring and labor planning processes. Integration and interfacing with the other system. Interfacing internally. According to the Mukle and Sado, a warehouse management program has 3 major interacting information components that ultimately show the warehouse management system to the order transaction. The warehouse management system, what to be study here, this is a complete system is there. This is the mapped key function of the warehouse management system: sorting, knitting, event, transiting, high-end, pack and pack, batch and web, basic, task management, productivity management, SS doc, cross dock management, put away management, inventory management, shipping management, location. And in case of the warehouse management system, these are all operated through the software. This is the receiving process: purchase order, receiving activity starts, goods, verification, delivery PAPs, count OK. This is the warehouse management system. I'm giving brief of the warehouse management interaction system. Here is the customer is there, pick and ship, create an order, swap or there, customer order analysis, return management study, operator scans, verify SKU, list customer regions, update SKU, and return to vendor, return to stock, and the dispose is there. This is the warehouse management system. And warehouse management interaction in the put away process. In the put away process is there, put away starts, update in transit, transport to the SL, computer suggested position, transport to the storage location, search for the position, SKU placed onto position, position scan transaction, transport to drop point station, SKU inflatable after receiving, available for sale or not. This is the warehouse management system. This is the warehouse management interaction in the replacement process. For all these things, softwares are there. Warehouse management system, order, allocate SKU, replacement start, operator dedicated location, place and reserve system, create an oscillation, release customer order, update base system, place on register, place on available location. This is the warehouse management system. In the order picking process, this is the, in case of the order picking starts here. Operator travels, operator retrieves SKU, operator places SKU, scans, lines left, position and quantify, update warehouse computer, confirm order finished, status, operator places, scans, warehouse distribution, FA used, right? This is the WMS instruction in the sorting process. In the sorting process, wave or part has to be picked, assigned to the individual, sorting starts, operator scans an item randomly, light or system flags where an order needs, operator puts item is compartment, process button, release order to packing, position quantitatively, update WS computer. Right? This is the summary of the warehouse management system. Increased, improved visibility, traceability, accuracy, throughput. These are the benefits of the warehouse management system. Enabling technology are the EDI, radio frequency devices, barcodes, LPN, RFID technology. These are the enabling technology of the warehouse management system. These are the software which are used for the, in case of the warehouse management system. These are the functions and features: basic functionally, high-end functionally, interaction processes, using enabling technology to allow transaction of information in the construct of the warehousing activity and to allow execution. Right? This is the warehouse management system. In short, we have gone for the warehouse management system. So we have gone for the benefits of the warehouses management system, then integrating and interfacing with the other systems. A warehouse management program has three major interfacing information components that ultimately allows the warehouse management system to execute product or the order transaction. Host IT computer, usually an ERP, and it focuses on the external communication with the suppliers and customer. Asset accounting so that the inventory quantity matches sales growth. Financial data like income and expenses. Order handling by working as a middle hand to the warehouse management system and the customers. Warehouse management system program computer focuses on the inventory balance, SKU data, product allocation from the storage location in order to complete orders. Information exchange and the host computer, peak orders, withdrawals from the inventory balance, order manifest, inventory data updates from the receiving goods or the return. Inventory quantity recognition, inventory counts, inventory status, non-customer orders or other information of the label creation is there. Warehouse computer or WCS. Internally, the warehouse management system can be seen as two units in terms of the responsibility, where one keeps track of the inventory data and one interprets it to suggest the best action to take with the MHE upon the given data. Some call this is a warehouse control system, but in the most simple terms, a WMS covers this concept entirely when seen as an execution system. Intercompany interfacing. For a supply chain to operate and manage properly, its intrinsic system need to be connected to each other. When they are separate, it is vital to have them connected through some type of the EDI, electronic data interchange. EDI is denoted as the intercompany interchange of business document between computers. Common documents involve order and invoices. To allow for the successful communication, there has to be some set of the rules by which the documents can be interpreted and the process. Some of the most commonly used standards today seen in the table 4.1. This is the EDI standard. ANSI Roselet standard, Income Swift, UN Equity Transfer, HIPAA VDA, ODBT VCS. INGOM was raised on specialization against their retail industry, which later responded to the UN EDIT fact standard that is most commonplace today. It is rather complicated and needs people with a lot of the knowledge in order to convert LACE into the correct format. RoseNet is based on XML to allow for an e-business language. It has become very popular because of its structured semantics and ability to be run on any operating system. Another type of the EDI is the web EDI, which works through internet forms in browsers to collect information in a structured way. It is easy to roll out and especially advantageous when working with the departments that are instance have to the low IT skills or works in different languages. Device and the mechanics interfacing. Device and mechanics interfacing. When the system that need to be interfaced relate to the warehouse resources, it is common that it is dependent on the radio frequency. This technology usually relates to the handheld device or mechanized equipment in the warehouse that transmits radio frequency signals when communicating with each other. Within warehousing, picking performance has been the biggest driver of this development, but it has found application within all major warehouse operations since the radio transmission enabled real-time warehousing. The handheld barcode scanner was one of the RST observation where barcode should be placed on the shelves or on the SKU. Together with the acoustic signal, these devices could also notify the user if the right item was scanned. Some devices have screens that resemble the use of the paper pick list. Some devices only tells the user what the next move is, pick by voice, device, or pick to light system. Barcode themselves follow some set of the standards, all of which have their unique application. The common denominator is that they represent at one hand, it is the information they can contain about the content they are linked. In case of the warehouse management system, LPNs are there, license plate number is there, RFD is a mix of the RF and the identification process that barcode provides, and it received great impact in receiving and shipping related activity. RFID works through tags that are attached to the entity in the same manner as with the barcodes, instead of having to read the information visually through scanning or visual interpretation. The RFID solution use query over the radio frequency to accept transaction when entities are the near proximity to each other. These are the functions and the features. These function and feature that I have already explained, mapped key function of the warehouses. These are the functions and features of the warehouse management system. And pick and pack management, sorting, knitting, yard management, transport management, high-end functionality, basic functionality, task management, productivity management, across dock management, replacement, receiving. As warehouse management system have evolved, they have also expanded what is considered as core and fundamental functioning. A literature review on WMS function was mainly done through the books and mapping of the various WMS vendors, which ultimately laid of the figure this one. The vendors were chosen basically according to the latest Gartner study on the leading WMS vendor globally, which divides the vendors in the leaders, challenges, visionary, and the niche players. From there, one suitable company from each square was chosen. And JDA, Logray, High Jump, next two vendors were chosen based on their applicability in the e-commerce, retailing, industry, and cloud-based technology. Dematic and Foxray, the following section will give a short run through each function, what is typically included in them, and how a typical interaction process would look like. Inbound. In case of the inbound warehouses, AS and pre-receiving management, when a company wants to purchase something from a supplier, the supplier acknowledges this purchase with a vendor delivery, purchase order, with the use of the advance shipment notice. Advance shipment notice, in your syllabus, we will study in detail in the advance shipment notice. A supplier can notify the order receiving and order goods as a pre-announcement of the shipment to come. It is also important for the receiver to know what order it is looking at when the goods are at the receiving dock. In printed form, it is referred to as the tally sheet. It may contain information like what products are included in the shipment and in what quantity, to be able to check what has actually spent and what was received. It may also have information like the master cartoon quantity, pallet number, and identification number. With appointment scheduling function, a warehouse management can use this information to plan a more advanced function like yard management can be used to efficiently coordinate trucks and the dock doors. This is the warehouse management interaction in the receiving process. How the in process is received, warehouse management system, purchase order is there, receiving and activity starts is there, goals is there, delivery papers is there, verification with the delivery papers is there, is PO that matches, no, verify the wire, return to the vendor. Yes, print tally sheet, PO found or created, count and incorporate and check for the damage, count okay, verify with the wire, return to the vendor, print labels and place on SKU, receive SKU by closing PO, Q sample and identify sent way to the question, create put away in-house transport, update WMS computer, update host computer. Once the goods are uploaded, the WMS can assist with the checking with the PO with the scanning equipment, but only if it is the goods have barcodes or the LPNs on them and with the right information. Otherwise, the quantity received is input manually. Value-added services may be done in receiving to make sure the products are prepared for the sales right way, be it a store-ready label or the special plastic bag wrapping. Usually, a quality assurance process is made at this point to make sure that the all goods comply with the policy. This is something the warehouse management system can help with by letting the staff go through the steps in the system to assure that the intended quality parameters are met. It may also give control over the sample and the releasing of the product or sales when the quality assurance process is over. In the steps of the receiving process, the WMS can check the order as received, which updates the inventory of the goods. According to the predetermined rules, a WMS may assist with the directing the goods to a staging area, reserve area, or maybe even to some area where it is processed for leaving the facility again across the dock activity. A little more tricky inbound is the reverse logistics return from the customers. These require a special handling since the item coming in need to be reinstated into the system in some way and not always to the same status and the item had when it was sold. It may be broken and overall not for the sales again, but it still requires to be tracked in the system and have function so that it is not available until it is ready. Sometimes there is a packing slip that can be staged or easy access to the order ID. The operator then verifies the quantity and quality of the return SKU and also acts upon the request of the customer may have. It may want the money back or swap to the another product. This is the WMS interaction in the return process. Here is the customer, pick and ship, create order with the swap form, save for the money back, customer order returns, return management acts, operator scans, verify SKU, quantity and the quality, list customer regions, request, return to vendors, return to stock, dispose, update SKU, inventory balance. Across the dock management, how it is done in the case of the warehouse management system. For a distribution center in the retail industry, it may involve getting goods that are to be sent to their stores by the time they arrive. This is referred to as a cross-docking or through crossing. There is also the term put to store that relates to the non-customer's order within the company. There is usually an order placed already by the head purchase department or a purchaser from the store receipt. Since it is usually an internal order between these units, the incoming goods have to be matched to this internal order in some way, which WMS can help with. The system may also support shipment that are mixed. One pallet has products that are requested by the many stores. Then the goods are transported to some sorting concept similar to the sorting process in the picking process. After directed put away, stay to the stay area for the exit. The system can assist through the scanning and the verifying that the goods are shipping of the right location. This of course puts demand on that the company vendors meet the identification standards required. Put away management, location management. In the similar manner that the warehouse management system could direct goods to the staging area and back out of the shipping area, the system may assist in directing or suggesting where the product should be next and where the best lie in the warehouse storage system. After the receiving process, the goods are labeled, registered into the system and lined up in-house transport. When the operator arrives to put the goods away, it may be scan the goods to assure ownership and to update the status of the goods in transit. Not all systems require the operator to take the goods all the way to the end storage location. It may also be transferred onto a drop point or a silent trance, or the pickup by the operator, or a mechanized automated system. When the goods are placed onto their designated position, a scanning process can assure that the position and quantity placed there is updated into the warehouse management system. As mentioned in the previous chapter, there are lot of factors that go into the selection of a suitable spot for the product. There are numerous philosophy as well as optimization technique, all of which a warehouse management system can help take into account. If the warehouse management system is more advanced, it might incorporate sorting functions as well. This takes into account the physical dimension of the stock units and single items when trying to them to a storage location that is of the optimal size. This kind of the peak phase optimization will work in 2 or 3 dimensions. While the latter is the most demanding function, it is a lot more worthwhile today given the standard level of the computing power. Literature of sorting mostly involves the use of the heuristics from the AI domain, artificial intelligence domain, which don't always promise an optimal solution, but a feasible and search space efficient solution. The sorting can be done continuously or as part of the reallocation task, which directs operation to the move goods from less to the more optimal location. This is the warehouse management interaction in the put away process. Here is the computer suggested position. Search for a position. Put away starts. SQ is identifiable after receiving. SQ is managed. Put away is transport. Unable to transit. Transport to the analyze. Transport to a storage location. Search for a position. Transport to the drop point station. SQ placed onto position. Position scan transaction. Update warehouse management computer. Position and quantity available for the sale or not. Task management. As an underlying function to previously mentioned function is the task management function in a warehouse management system. This relates to the dispatching of the assignment to the stay in order to achieve higher productivity. Instead of the having to go to the manager each time it is done with the task. New assignment can be passed via the handheld device. The task may take interleaving into account so that the workers do 2 tasks in one round. In some system, there are work order processing functions that can attach priority to tasks so that they can dispatch as they do go on. More advanced system can create tasks that are distance and the speed optimized, as well as create and the dispatch these continuously. This requires a lot of information of the warehouse and is based on fairly advanced algorithm. These functions are sometimes collected in a system of their own, namely labor management system. Productivity management, monitoring, forecasting, and scheduling of labor are common functions, but they may be implemented in the warehouse management system as well. Another advanced feature is event management, which can provide an overview of the operation and give alerts when events occur that match a certain pattern, trend breaks of the demand of the otherwise frequent articles. Inventory management. The main idea with the inventory management to have a purchase plan that ensures that products are available when they are requested without having too much or too little on average. This plan could be based on just-in-time theory, on forecast, and ultimately on EOQ theory, economic order quantity within the warehouse management system. This function also relates to having inventory visibility functions. Furthermore, inventory management also involves cycle counting functions. The need for the physical counting may vary, but the most common reason is the accounting related counts of the inventory. In that case, the entire inventory is counted. Sometimes there is a suspicion that a product has the discrepancy in the balance account, of which a count for that suspicious product is then carried out. Modern warehouse management softwares. There are many of the warehouse management softwares are there. These flow charts, which have been, I've shown 7-8 flow charts in the warehouse management system. These are all operated by the softwares. Modern warehouse management systems support perpetual cycling counting, which is to allow for the counting when stock units on the article run out. When it is run out, it is a opportunity to check the count, since either the balance says there are 0 left or more less than 0. In regards to the visibility functionality, inventory management in the warehouse management system software involves features like lot serial control, status hold assignment, and the ability to tie stock units to the barcodes and LPNs. Lot serial control is important where the products are characterized of a legal incentive to keep track of when things arrived and how long they have been lying in the warehouse. Outbound. In the case of the outbound, batch and wave management. How the batch and wave management done in the warehouse management system. This core functionality applied to the generation of the collection of the orders that become tasks to one more operators. When orders arrive into the system from the host system or the external order platform, they need to be dispatched as tasks according to the some rules. The system can handle priority or the query-based aggregation of set of the orders that are suitable to be picked sequentially in collection. If the warehouse is a distribution center that distributes a lot of the different regions, they may have trucks coming in the periodically during the day and that are later dispatched to the destined region. Then it makes sense to also pick the customer order in batch groups that have destination in common. Other criteria are carrier restriction, SQ characteristic, the storage principle used, FIFO type of the orders, and peak type methods. There are a lot of the strategy in batching, which a warehouse management system enables through grouping, aggregating, clustering of the products according to the desired criteria. More advanced warehouse management system softwares enable automatic creation or suggestion of the batches, where a consideration to the total distance and speeds put the greatest demand of the solution. Replacement management. Replacement theory can be quite lengthy, but it is mostly because it can be done in so many ways and for so many different purposes. The most basic feature of the replacement setup is that an item has a dedicated position of the first peak area. Either the positions are based on the assigning the same amount of the space to all SKU, or they get a volume that is based on how often they are picked. In basic system, these levels are set and calculated manually, but it is possible to have calculation with trivial and advanced algorithm provided by the system. Here is the warehouse management integration in the replacement process. Here is the warehouse management system, order web creation, warehouse management allocation skills, replacement starts, warehouse management distribution, operator retrieve SKU and transport to the peak area, dedicated location, place on available location, yes and no, place on register, release customer orders to peak area, position and quarterly, exist, need to be identified, place on the label location, create, execute the transaction. This is the replacement process in case of the warehouse management system. These all process can be in a system can be processed through the software. The system may also anticipate so that it looks ahead in the batches or waves that are to do have been dispatched. If the amount to be picked exceeds the item available in these order, collection replacement tasks can be dispatched in advance. This is usually done through a replacement web order that is distributed to the operators. When carried out, they transfer the items to the peak area and stores as much as they can the peak location. The rest is put somewhere else but they nearby as local BU, for instance, on a self location above the distinguished peak area. The quantity is registered into the system, which releases the article or the peak to orders. When the quantity exceeds 0, some denote level, a replacement task is dispatched automatically. In more advanced system, and where the products picked there a lot of the overtime, it is common that the system allows random storage location in the FPA. The product offering changes in front of the operator because the new items are replenished to peak area of the time. The kind of the methods often are related by the peak to light system. Pick and pack management. Picking of orders have different methods depending on the equipment used, automation level, batching, waving strategy, what unit structure it concerns. Usually an operator or manager creates an order or batches, which is then relayed in the system and allocates the SKU to be picked. If there needs to be replacement, this can be done in advance. The WMS can help directing the operators through the RF devices to pick according to the some route that includes reserve area, peak area, while minimizing the total distance traveled and the traverse. The routing function is usually based on the various index areas where the storage locations are ordered in a long list for each rake and SI. According to the Bartholdi, there is no WMS today that manages an explicit geometrical model of the warehouse layout for true routing optimization, which also seems to be the case for the screened vendors. This is the WMS interaction in the order picking process. This is the warehouse management system. Order, batch creation, WMS allocated skill, FA used, replacement process, WMS stylist process, WMS releases order picking starts, operator travels, operator retrieves SKU, scans, operator pieces SKU, scans, lines left, stops, position and quantity, update WMS computer, confirm order finished, operator places order. These are the scans. The scanning process can be used to make sure that the right item is picked and that it has been handled correctly in the next step. The WMS may suggest appropriate action, such as the order to put the items or the actions to take sort of the consolidate the goods. It all depends on the work image decided upon. The system may assist in tying stock units to order totes on the tray and also in putting status on the batch and its order. This enables traceability since the progress of order can be monitored. When there is a need for the sorting and consolidation after a pick, there might be the put to the light system for the paper-based sorting. Along with an order is usually a pack slip that can be used as this paper pick list, each order with the items requested. Each order gets a compartment on the shelf that the items are put in. If it is a put to light system, the operator scans an arbitrary item and the system will highlight the compartment that needs that item. This is the WMS interaction in the sorting process. Sorting starts, operator scans all items randomly. Light or system flags where an order needs item. Operator puts them in compartment. Process button for the scan compartment. Release order to packing. Position and quantity, update warehouse management system. Waves or put up have been picked. Assign order to individual compartment. Kitting is a function that is available in more advanced solution. It enables the collection of the units for building or assembling a product within the warehouse. This can be done in a push or pull manner where the units are sometimes assembled to stock to accommodate future demand or to order accommodate current demand. It puts demand of the system in terms of the item structure since it needs to keep track of all the individual sub-items of one sellable product. Lastly, there are some vendors that support in-store, dark store picking and processing of e-commerce orders. Picking cannot always work in the same way in the store as in the warehouse. where the stage completely designed to the warehousing task. It is highly desirable to be able to pick products in the store in an efficient way while not obstructing everyday store tasks. Quality assurance. Quality assurance and the value-added services are a part of the term that is usually referred to as the order preparation. Some see packing as part of the picking management process, but it is common that it relates here as well, since they often occur in the same functional area of the warehouse. Once the orders have been picked, they might need to be sorted and consolidated, then packed and perhaps with a certain value adding sequence, and ultimately labeled for the shipping. The quality assurance process is usually a check activity between the items in the customer order totes or box and the quantity listed on the packing slip. Packing procedure may also be put into the management system to help the operators pack efficiently and according to some value adding policy. System support also here apply to price tags and the shipping levels. Shipping and manifest management. Warehouse management softwares may support several activities. Actually, warehouse management system is operated through the softwares, warehouse management softwares. They may support the several activity in the shipping area as well. Manifest management relates to the document management in packing, but it more commonly falls under the shipping activity for the vendor study. The most beneficial WMS feature in this process is the staging and loading of the goods with the help of the RF devices. The WMS can direct the operation to sub-area in the shipping area and make sure that the goods are set up in a sequence to match the unbound sequence. Ship confirmation can be done through the RFID as well, so that when the goods pass the dock order, the ERP and the customer can be noticed. More advanced solutions have a transport management functionality, which may take responsibility of coordinating and dispatching of the goods for the least traveled distance to the customer. This is sometimes handled through a system of its own called transport management system. Here, the summary of the warehouse management system is given. Benefits: increased improved visibility, traceability, accuracy, throughput, space, capacity, labor productivity. Enabling technology is the ADI, radio frequency devices, equipment barcodes, LFN, RFID technology. Functions and feature: basic functionality, core functions, high-end functionality. Interaction process: using enabling technology to allow transaction of information in the context of the warehouse activity and to allow execution. In this chapter, the main beam is the form of the utilization of the warehouse management system were presented, as well as the technology that enable these beams to be realized. A solid introduction to the main core functionality of the some common features are made. It included detailed interaction process for some of the core functionality. This put the utilization of the enabling technology and various resources in the context of the warehouse activity, as well as data and transaction of inventory and order information with real-time collection data of the warehouse management system may also execute process in real time, which emphasizes the execution of the warehouse management system as a supply chain execution software. Paramount to this, collection of data is equipment by which you gather it. However, of even greater importance, it what points you collect data, and also what it can be tell you about that action that is needed to be taken to the object that the data originates from or relates to this. This does not just relate to the significance of the knowledge where things are in the supply chain, but also to understand the states that these are in, so that one can deduce the action that are needed to be taken upon object to lead them onwards correctly. This is about the warehouse management system. different processes, and which is shown in the flow charts, and these are mainly operated through the softwares, right? This is warehouse management system is operated through the software. Benefits of the warehouse management system is given there. This is a very quick and more visible, inventory visible, traceable, and accuracy is there when we are operating with the warehouse management system. Hence, this is the completion of the warehouse management system.